So it took 90 days to make $217,000 in profit on TikTok. We're talking about TikTok's creativity program, because look at this page right here. Big waves. You guys have all seen this. Look at the views. Holy crap. We're talking 30 million, 100 million, 260 million views. And you want to know the craziest part? The video is exactly 1 minute long. This guy is a schmucky genius because he gets it right at 1 minute. And you know what that means? He can make money on this video. So the way this program works is you post videos on TikTok and you get paid for every 1,000 views that you bring in. And for a page like this, I'm estimating around 60 cents per 1,000 views. If you look at this, he's getting a ton of views. So let's take a look at this video real quick just to show you how simple this is.
Yo, all hands, hoist the colors high.
And if we skip around the rest of the video, he's pretty much just showcasing like 5 to 6 different clips like in the ocean. The first clip is just bonkers. I don't even know what the hell's going on, but if we go to the end, right, it's just red. Like a Red Sea or something. So his strategy is to pick a theme for each video. For example, this one is about pirates. He gets a few clips, each of them like 5 to 10 seconds long, and he just mashes them together, and then boom, you have a video. Now look at this. It's a bunch of random stuff in the video, but it's all to do with pirates. Like they're, I don't know, protecting their ship or something. 33 million views. So we're going to calculate how much money this dude is actually making off of this page. So the first video is about a chicken nugget, right? He throws it in the ocean, I don't know, something silly. But the important part is this was posted on December 20th of last year. So that's pretty much exactly 90 days ago. It's March 20th when I'm recording this. If we go up a little bit more, you can see his most recent post was, what, 9 days ago? So he's been posting for like 3 months. So with all these videos that he's posted, how much money has he actually made? So I did a deep dive into big waves. See what I did there? Yeah. So I took all of his videos, put them into Google Sheets, and I found the view count for every single video. Like some of these, once again, 200 million views, just bonkers. But then I used this formula right here. Essentially, this formula is goated, and it's worth a lot of money. I'm joking. This is just basic math. I pretty much took the amount of views, which you can see right there, divided it by 2. And that's because not every single view you're going to be paid for. So like you know, the creativity program was just renamed to the Creator Rewards Program. Pretty much the same thing. But if you go on the website and you scroll down a little bit, you can see there's something called qualified views. You're not going to be paid for every single view that you get on a video, only if it's a qualified view, meaning that, you know, the person watched over 5 seconds, it's not promoted, it's not fake views, and most importantly, it's not disliked. So let's say that only 50% of these views are actually qualified views. That means we have to take the view count, divide it by 2, and then we're going to divide that entire thing by 1,000 because TikTok pays you per 1,000 views. Then we multiplied it by about 65 cents. This is the average that we're seeing, especially in this niche, 65 cents per 1,000 qualified views. So with that being said, he made around $2,000 on this one video, which we can actually check it out right here. Yeah, it's the chicken nugget video. He made around, what, $2,000 on this one. That's crazy. $2,000 for a chicken nugget. Give me a break. That's just, pfft, bro. And then if we look at the next video, right, use that same exact formula, which you can see there, $18,800 for this 58 million view video. And if we do this for every single one of these videos, this is how much he earned throughout all of these videos. It's just crazy. Some of the videos he's only making $50, but this guy's trick is to essentially have the video go mega viral, because once he hits like 100 million views, right, he's making 30 plus grand on one video. And each of these videos are taking you, you know, 20 minutes at max to make. So it's just incredible. 20 minutes for 34 grand. Like, bro, I'll take that. His total views are around 660 million on his TikTok page. Let's say only half of them are qualified views. Once again, 65 cents per 1,000 views. He made a total of 217 grand on this entire page so far. Once again, this is being very humble with his account. You know, he might have made more than 65 cents per 1,000 views, and he might have like 60-70% of these views as qualified. But I want to make sure that we're lowballing his numbers, and lowballing it, this guy is making bank. So if you guys want to start making bank with the creativity program and also TikTok shop affiliate, we got people inside of the community making bank right now. I'm talking about Swaggy P coming in with $18,000 in the last month. We got my boy Carlos Baby coming in with $200 in profit. My dude, absolutely incredible. And so many other people making bank inside of TikTok Mastery. So if y'all want to learn all the ways to make money on TikTok, including the Creator Rewards Program, go to the link in the description. Question is, how can we replicate this and make a ton of money with the TikTok Creator Rewards Program? Well, first, obviously, you need an account. This is all the things that you need to follow to be in the Creator Rewards program. It's super simple to get in. It doesn't take that long. If you want to learn more about it, link in the description. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. Cool part is, too, unlike TikTok Shop Affiliate, it is available in so many countries. We're talking Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, United Kingdom, and the United States. We're going to break down from start to finish how this guy did this, how you can make the videos, and you can start making bank with the Creator Rewards program. Sounds like a good gig to me. All you got to do is watch the video. Watch this. You need to understand how to get people to stop scrolling. You need to make a video that's a banger. And the two most important parts are the hook and then the watch time. The watch time will determine if the video goes viral, while the hook determines if people even want to stay to watch it. So once you have an account, you need to pick an actual niche. So this could be, for example, the ocean niche. Inside the ocean niche, you can do like pirate videos, compilations, educational videos using AI, intense moments. And Big Waves, for example, was in this niche, and he did pretty much all of that, right? He did pirate videos. On top of that, he just did like cool compilation videos inside the ocean. You can also do like science videos, animal videos, motivational, nature, police. There's so many. But the key is whatever videos you're doing, make sure that the content themselves are not copyrighted. For example, when you're at the movie theater and the movie's about to come on and you see one of these, it's like FBI warning, reproduction is punishable by 5 years, 250 grand. I don't know, all this bogus, but it's actually true. If you start sitting there and recording the movie with your phone, you're probably going to go to jail, or you're going to get sued, or you're going to get fined or something bad. It's the same thing with the Creator Rewards program. If you're making videos by stealing other people's copyrighted content, you're gonna get in trouble. Some pages will get away with it. They'll literally steal movie clips and post it, and it's like borderline illegal. Don't do that. Make sure that you're following fair use laws. And Big Waves, he's smart, so what he does is essentially finds a bunch of different clips online and he mashes them together. Each of those clips are recorded by just random civilians. Like, this is not a movie production. This is some guy in the ocean, you know, so it's not copyrighted, most likely. Same thing with this. It's just like shot on an iPhone, which, yeah, all of these clips are. Just make sure that you're putting your own spin on it. That way it's fair use. So by making it a compilation, you know, maybe add text on the screen, whatever you want to do. So once you pick a niche, now it's time to start making some videos. So we got the phone here, we got YouTube, and that's pretty much all we really need. The only other thing you need is like a screen recorder, so make sure your phone has that, which like every iPhone does. So for this guy's page, he was doing compilations, like, you know, so we pretty much need to find that on YouTube and then just screen record it, and then we're gonna mash it together. So I'm gonna type in like crazy ocean moments, type in search. Holy moly. Oh, that's a cool hook. That is incredible. So all we're doing is recording these clips. The quality doesn't matter like too much, but make sure it's not like horrible. And what I'll do is I'll skip around to the most like rewatched parts, like for example this one, and this is probably going to be our hook for the video, so let's just see. Ew. Bruh. Alright, that was a dope video. We're gonna find some more scary ocean moments caught on camera. Like, this is amazing. Look at all these videos we have. We're going to load up CapCut. Once you're inside of CapCut, we're just going to click on New Project and then click on the video that we recorded. Click on Add, and boom. So I just recorded like a bunch of clips. 5 minutes long total, but notice how it's like sideways. We're going to click on Aspect Ratio bottom right, click on TikTok, and bam, now it's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Like, you can zoom all the way in if you want. Now the quality should be decent, but it doesn't need to be perfect. So I found this really cool clip at the start. Look at that. Oh, that is such a cool clip to start with. So all we're going to do is click on it, click split, and delete everything else. So I'm just going to go through and get like 8 to 10 second clips and then just split it whenever it's at the end, and then go to the next clip. I didn't like any of this. Yeah, this was a sick clip. Look at this. Wait, I'm going to cut it right at the beginning. So split, delete all the crap before it. Look at this clip. This thing was insane. It looks like a samurai sword. It's actually kind of dope. But I only want like 10 seconds of that clip, so it's not too boring. We'll do 8 seconds right up to there. Split that. Let's find the next cool clip. I guess the theme for this whole thing is kind of like, yeah, let's do that. Cool creatures in the ocean. This is an amazing clip. It's like this freaking octopus just humping the scuba diver. So we officially have like, I don't know, maybe 10 clips. Each of them are about 8 seconds long, give or take. And we just need to find like a good hook. So these are all the clips. I mean, some of them are good. Like that one's Yeah, they're all pretty good, not gonna lie. Honestly, I'm gonna make this the main clip. I think it's just hilarious. It's like this octopus stealing the freaking GoPro. We need to come up with like a really good hook for the AI part. On most CPP pages, what they do is they start out with like some AI text on the screen and then also an AI voice, and then they get into these compilation clips. I think it'll be something like when humans and sea creatures don't get along or interact or something like that. We'll come up with it. And yeah, we have our whole video here. So now all the clips are laid out. That took maybe 5 minutes to do. For the next step, we're gonna go to 11 Labs. So it's an app on the phone. Once you're inside of 11 Labs, we're pretty much just going to type in whatever we want, like the main text on the screen to be, when sea creatures meet humans for the first time. I think that's a banger. Yeah, that's going to be good. This is super easy to use. Just type in what you want it to say. Click on create in the top right. Watch this.
When sea creatures meet humans for the first time.
That's good. Look at that. That's a banger. The key is when you're coming up with this voice, you need to remember this is going to be the hook. And if it's the hook, it needs to be something that's engaging. And it's also hinting at what's going to be in the video. On top of that, this is going to be the starting clip, like a human interacting with this octopus. And it's like pulling it away, like pulling the GoPro. You don't see this every day. Remember, everyone's scrolling 24/7. If you want to make money on the creator rewards program with TikTok, you need to stand out. The clips need to be solid and the voice, the text on the screen, we're going to keep going through it. Next up, we're going to click on share audio in the bottom right. We're going to save this to files. So once we do that, we can open it inside of CapCut. Back in CapCut, we're going to click on audio and then let's click on sounds. Let's go over to this folder and then click on device, select from device. We'll do this one that we just made. Click on plus, bring it right to the beginning right there. And now this is what our new TikTok looks like.
When sea creatures meet humans for the first time.
Oh, we need to turn down the audio. Everything's muted now, so now all we hear is this.
When sea creatures meet humans for the first time.
Oh, that's sick. Okay, and that's all we need for the video. It's 1 minute and 4 seconds long. Pretty soon. Wait, what? Why is it 4 seconds? Oh, we have CapCut at the end. All right, let's delete that. All right, nice. We'll make it 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute and 2 seconds is fine. It's longer than 1 minute. That is key, though. Make sure it's longer than 1 minute. If not, it's not going to be like a qualified video, so you're not going to make money on it. You just wasted all that time. All right, so the video is good to go. So you're in TikTok now. This is the final step, right? All we did was go to YouTube, get clips, mash them together in CapCut, add an AI voice. Now it's time to add the text and actually post the video. So once you have your TikTok pulled up, make sure that you go to settings, creator tools, and make sure that your creator rewards program is like good to go. So let me make sure mine's good. If your account doesn't have it yet, you can apply for it. It's going to tell you exactly what you need to do on your TikTok. You need a certain amount of followers, a certain amount of views in the last 30 days, and a bunch of different criteria. Once again, if you want to learn how to apply for it, get into it. It's super simple. Link is in the description. You can learn for 3 days free with my community. This is what the dashboard is going to look like, and you can see the qualified views, RPM, estimated rewards. I don't use this TikTok account for the creator rewards program. Like, I don't do it for money, but I do it on separate pages, which we'll talk about later.
When sea creatures
And boom, we've just uploaded our video. So that actually looks really good. No, I don't want. That's silly music. That's not happening. Hoist the colors. Yes, this is the one. All right, so I went to Big Waves TikTok page. I used his audio. Yeah, the same one that he used on the 200 million view video. So now we're gonna go up to the top, click on add sound, go to favorites, the one that we just found.
When sea creatures meet humans for the first time.
Nice. Now we're gonna write that text out. So I'm gonna put this one towards the top. We'll make it like 3.6 seconds.
When sea creatures meet humans.
And it should look like this when it's all done.
When sea creatures meet humans for the first time.
All hands hoist the colors high. Heave ho.
Oh. Yo, that's an epic video. The only other thing we have to do is add in hashtags, so we could do like hashtag ocean. So when you do these hashtags, you're essentially telling TikTok where to send your video to. So if we do like a bunch of ocean sea ones, we're saying, yo, TikTok, send it to people that like the ocean. So we have the creator rewards program enabled. We added the hashtags. You can add a description if you want, like you don't have to. So now you're going to be doing that between 1 and 4 times a day, right? If you want to pump out 4 videos a day, like go ahead, that's really solid. Remember, like this dude has posted so many videos and all of them are making between 200 up to 20 grand, 30 grand a video. So what this guy does is he private prohibits all the videos that don't perform well, that only get like 10,000 views. It happens all the time to him, but he only keeps the good ones up on his page. I think it's like an ego thing, so it looks cool. I don't know. You can keep them all up. It doesn't matter. People will say focus on speed. I don't agree. Focus on quality. Quality videos that hook people in, and when you're actually watching it, it's entertaining and you would want to watch that video. If you guys want to go more in depth with this, for 3 days, you can try out my program completely free. You guys will learn everything from A to Z about the Creator Rewards program. And on top of that, also TikTok Shop Affiliate. We got people making bands in there, over 1,000 members right now. Love you guys so much. So I will see you inside of TikTok Mastery. Peace out, y'all.